Good readers and close readers also know that previewing the comprehension questions can help you focus on key details and text evidence that will help support your thinking and understanding of the text. So let's take a look at the comprehension questions for this text. I have already made a prediction that this text is going to be mostly about the creator of Oz, or the person who wrote The Wizard of Oz, and I already predicted that his name was Baum. So in question 1, it says, which sentence from the passage describes how Baum came up with the name Oz so quickly? So, that kind of confirms my thinking that Baum was the writer and creator of The Wizard of Oz. But I'm going to have to read closely this text to find out how he came up with the name Oz. That is an odd name, so I'm interested to find that out. In question number 2, it says, read these sentences from the passage. Later, he explained how he suddenly became inspired by this special tale. I was sitting in the hall telling the kids a story, and suddenly this tale moved right in and took possession. I shooed the children away and grabbed a piece of paper that was lying there on the rack and began to write. Paragraph 11. What does the word inspired mean? So it does again confirm my thinking that Baum was a writer. But what does the word inspired mean in this passage? Question number 3. Which sentence from the passage shows that L. Frank Baum's book was famous? Well, I know that The Wizard of Oz did become famous. First it was a book, and then it was a movie. But what does it say in the text? I'm going to have to read closely and look back in the text to make sure I answer this question correctly. Question number 4. Select one sentence from the passage that shows the evidence the author uses to support the idea that L. Frank Baum enjoyed entertaining children. Once again, I know he was a children's author, but I'm going to have to read these pieces and these passages of the text carefully to consider which one shows evidence that he enjoyed entertaining children. Question number 5. Select 2 sentences from the section Growing Up that the author uses to support the idea that Frank L. Baum was interested in writing as a child. Well, the section's subtitle is Growing Up, so I know I'm going to learn a little bit more about how he enjoyed writing as a child. So he must have done something in his early years that inspired his writing. And then finally, question number 6. Which 2 events from Baum's life influenced his choosing to become an author? So there were 2 big events in his life that influenced him to become an author. Well, this makes me feel good about my prediction about what the text is mostly about. So, the creator of Oz is probably mostly about Frank Baum, who wrote The Wizard of Oz. And in this text, I'm going to learn more about his life and what influenced him to become an author. So that is how you can use previewing the comprehension questions to understand even more about the text.